2400. And last step, drop your ballot off in a more liberal neighborhood. Because there, I think they're more likely to think, okay, most of these are Democrats, we're good. I do think that there's going to be massive cheating in this election. Look what they've been willing to do. 3 years of Russia. Then it's Ukraine. Now it's this. Real quick, let's talk through. Wait, no, I don't. No. I want to hold Larry. Larry lived in China for 10 years. I want to hear this. So we'll come back. We'll hear from a gentleman who lived in China for 10 years. Does he think they're behind this, and what's his analysis? We'll get back to that in just a second. It's Open Line Friday, 800-282-2882. The mail-in voting stuff, just take that advice. Because how this happens in these states is they suddenly find ballots. It's a remarkable thing to watch a governor, or a person who should have been governor, win the first count, win the second count. And then on the third count, one of the Democrat vote counters said, oh, all we need is 800 ballots. I'm sorry. Oh, I meant it's a close race. Lo and behold, hey, look, 900 ballots. Democrat wins. So please take my advice on that. We'll continue your phone calls next. The Rush Limbaugh program is Todd Herman filling in on the EIB Network. You're listening to the EIB Network. News Radio 920, 1047 FM.
My friends, we're all living through tough times in our nation, but my good friend...
there is certainly, what they're saying about it's not the Chinese people, it's the Communist Party. That is certainly the case because, that they're victims. I mean, in general, I think most of them are probably fairly happy, and if you didn't know it, it's a pretty capitalistic country besides, some of the things that the government does, with the, leaders and things like that, so.
Yeah, I mean, I would refer to it as a form of crony capitalism at the very best. I mean, it's you have to work with the party, as I understand it. And no, obviously, I don't mean to say anything about the Chinese people. They're not in control.
Right.
They don't control their government. So I'm not saying anything about the Chinese people. I'm talking about the Chinese government, the same one that has the 100,000 points of light and the foundations to put the teachings into the schools. I just would be outside the realm of possibility they're doing this. I know Hamas is involved. I know that the organizers of Black Lives Matter Inc. went to the Palestinian territory and talked about the shared struggle with Hamas. So it wouldn't surprise me if it was China. So I appreciate the phone call, Larry. Thanks very much for calling us today on Rush's show. Let's get over to Lisa in New Surma Beach, Florida. Lisa, you're on Rush's show. It's Todd Herman filling in. Hi, Lisa.
Hey, 34 years of teaching. I have high blood pressure. I can't wait to get back in the classroom. Kids don't get COVID. It's so political. Can't stand it. Democrats cheat. We have to pray every day, all day long. I thank God for Rush and Trump every day.
I thank God that you're willing to say this out loud. Do you tell your fellow teachers this?
Well, I love the select few, and we know we can talk. Yeah, I don't know about that, but my husband gets on radio. My husband gets on radio all the time. Thank you. You're awesome.
Thank you. Appreciate it. I join you in prayers for Rush, and I know the entire audience here is that. Thank you, Lisa. Let's talk to Mary in Melbourne, Florida. You're on Rush Limbaugh's program. It's Todd Herman filling in. Hi, Mary.
Hi, Todd. Yes, I just wanted to make 2 points on a couple callers ago said about the voting. I really hope and pray that President Trump gets reelected, but I think